Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up an advanced verification system in Discord in 2026. So if you want to block bots, prevent spam, and make your community fully secure, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, understand why verification is important. So it protects your server from bots, spam accounts, raids, and unwanted users. Next, turn on community settings in Discord. This unlocks rules screening, onboarding, and better moderation tools. So set up a rules channel where users must accept guidelines before accessing the server. This is your first layer of protection. Now use a verification bot with CAPTCHA or reaction-based checks. This confirms that real humans are joining your server. So create a verified role. New users should get limited access until they complete verification. Next, create a dedicated verification channel. Users will complete steps here before getting full access. So use bots to automatically assign verified roles after users complete verification. This makes the process fast and smooth. Now enable anti-raid settings. This limits mass joins and protects your server during spam attacks. Finally, test your verification system as a new user. So make sure everything works smoothly before going public. And that's how to set up an advanced verification system in Discord in 2026. Once you combine rules screening, automation, and anti-bot protection, your server becomes much safer and more professional. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more Discord tutorials. Hey everyone!